belonging to a village that worship a big ominous hole in the ground all that often. Luckily, and they are even less often once in a leader.
Today we're going to bring a luxurious lamp, beautiful lamp with an actual gooseneck neck. You guys can see it with the light bulbs. Now, first of all, light switch is located in the bottom lower end. You could click the button, it automatically comes up and it turns on. Beautifully elegant, stylish, and easy to manage. Comes with two light LED light bulbs. One has a gooseneck, flexible, so when you're reading a book, get it closer to yourself or line it up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Actually, need my glasses for this.